So first our place will be Tartar Lake. The sanctions for Russia, but we're not gonna do sanctions for Russia. And they do very correctly, because if they do the sanction as well, then Russia will be upset and maybe they will attack Georgia as well. Look at this one, Twin Towers. This is tallest buildings.
Really building?
Yes, this is also bank.
So cool.
Bank. You don't have a Ukrainians and Russians interested in to know how Georgians used to live. So my recommendation would be, look, Ukrainian solidarity.
Flowers, my
Power bank eh.
Rubbish here. If you have a rubbish.
Oh, rubbish.
Yeah.
Our life is a rubbish.
Ay, may anghang. Ka-Georginal! Welcome to our vlog!
Wake up.
Ma!
So this, look how big protection it has.
Hi guys, say hi to my packing vlog. I'm going to earn shawarma. This is the best ever shawarma I ate in my entire life.
So first our place will be Tartar Lake. Remember?
Yes.
I mentioned
Yes, you
in my WhatsApp,
Yes,
some
yes.
operators not offering. But I don't like skipping, because if you are happy with my service, I'm quite sure you will send me others. This is how I work.
Sure.
I don't want to just get the money and I don't care.
Yes, sure.
I don't care what happens then next. The sanctions for Russia, but we're not gonna do sanctions for Russia. And they do very correctly, because if they do the sanction as well, then Russia will be upset and maybe they will attack Georgia as well. We don't want. We already know Russian bombs.
Yeah.
12 years ago.
Ayan, may video mo yan, Ma.
You see now buildings, look, and you said it's
Hilton Garden.
No, yeah, Hilton Garden Hotel. Look
Yeah.
at this one, Twin Towers. This is tallest buildings.
Okay.
How many
Floors 55.
Oh.
55. Georgia counts as the tallest.
Okay, this is the
25 lang.
tallest
buildings you are.
here in Georgia.
Yes, correct. Look at Twin Towers. Similar like in United
Why
States.
it's called Twin
Twins.
Towers?
Because
Twin.
it's look twin.
Twin.
Ah, they're
Black and white. Waited because you didn't have a tour guide.
Well, actually, that's
Solidarity with Ukraine.
Wow.
Ukrainian
Wow.
flag.
It's really building?
Yes, this is
true.
also
That was
bank.
so cool.
Bank. You see,
Sa bank.
is I think Turkish bank.
May umuungol na naman.
Oo, wala na naman ako.
Here we have Vake Park, left side. Is your hotel busy also? So many guests, yeah? Or not so many?
Not so many, I guess.
Not so many. Maybe I'm busy and they're not busy. They know you don't have a Ukrainians and Russians?
Your hotel here, it's here?
Everyone should wear the mask. Now outside no need mask. Only
What about here? It's same thing?
yeah, same thing. No need mask now.
Outside.
Outside, no need mask.
No need mask.
Okay, that's cool because
Yes, only you need the mask inside the hotel and this kind of places like clinic, restaurant,
Yeah,
clinic.
but outside.
Groceries.
Yeah, outside supermarket also you
See
need.
this one, kapatid, oh.
Yeah, here is we are going to the Turtle Lake uphill,
Turtle Lake.
and here is a Ukrainian embassy. Just for your information. Look at where we're going now.
City Cafe. Kape tayo?
In this case, let's start with the Turtle Lake. On the way back down, there is a ethnographic museum. Maybe you also will be interested in to know how Georgians used to live. History if you want. How we making wine. So you want to know all this information, huh?
Yeah, you know
Okay, we stop.
we're hard drinker.
Ah, you're a hard drinker.
Wine.
Wine.
Our brand is wine.
Ah, that's nice.
So we're planning on the third day we're going to winery.
Aha, okay, so you decided.
That's
Which
good.
one is good?
Better.
Cave or the other one? Uplistic? I don't know.
Yeah, Aplisiche, Cave City.
Which one is better?
Actually, in Aplisiche, when you pay the ticket, they give you free wine inside. 4 sorts.
For sure.
4 shots. What
Four
about
shots.
winery? What about cave?
Winery, you have to pay. People now blossom. Already trees blossom.
Yeah.
Sakura, Japanese.
Yeah, Sakura.
Japanese Sakura.
Oh my goodness.
Tree blossom, huh?
Yeah, when it is the Sakura fall?
Sakura fall already spring, already from March
Yeah.
starting. This is the ethnographic museum on the way back.
Okay.
Look how old houses, this historical. 200 years old each.
This house.
Yes, and also has a history. Ladies inside, the lady will tell you the history about the house.
Ayaw mo ba? Wala tayong lighter.
Sabi ko sa inyo, possible.
Oy, lighter. For the photo. we always
Yeah,
have-
too many photos for Kabayans. Each one has a good portfolio. Each. So my recommendation would be maybe one circle we're doing first.
Okay.
Then some fat after breakfast, and then sometimes Kabayans asking me, Nicolas, where we can buy Starbucks because they have a mud. Yes, it's tough. But unfortunately, here also zip line available.
Oh.
Would you like?
Tsaka dito sa ano ka
On the lake.
mag-zip
I
line.
show you. Station up. You want to try?
About the, we will just check.
Mag-try ka
Here,
sa ano, sa
here.
yellow, hindi dito.
Zip
Ah,
line
yellow.
available on the lake. One person,
But-
50 lari, one person.
But it's better there in the ski, right? In the mountain.
Fotobuto.
Mountain.
Snow place, zip line not available. There available paragliding,
Okay.
available cable car.
Dasal po niya ano. Ay sa akin.
Oh, so nice. Already spring. You see how peaceful this lake? Green color. Asking me why Nicholas is calling Turtle Lake. I'm saying because look at the color. Flowers. Very rare. Very rare.
So have some really place.
Maybe only Tbilisi is snowing maybe only 2 days during the winter season. But Gudauri, too much. You see, on the sun, not cold, but as soon as on the shadow and windy, it's already cold.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, you see, windy. But we get used to. This is a round garden. Look, garden inside and roundabout.
Roundabout.
Yes, everywhere is a car. Look, Ukrainian solidarity
Fresh flowers, my God.
flag. Fresh flower.
flowers.
We are close to your hotel now. This is British House Hotel. You see? British House.
Pataas pa ba ang ano nito parang sa lugar namin sa Gordon Heights. Sa may Santa Rita. Taas sa
Ngayon ba?
Oh.
Alam mo ba?
Nag-gate si Tbilisi, Georgia. Nag-gate si...
Unlightning, oh. Oh, ang dami.
Hi! How are you to find out?
Mash.
Ang ganda nito oh. Kasi
Pasok ka dun, ma. Mosh!
Meron akong power bank eh.
Oh, so cold. It's so cold.
Okay.
Pati sa office ko, may papalinis ako. Nag-part-time bata niyan si Jen.
Can you play something active? This song I can sleep.
Yeah, wait.
Parang nakalusot siya sa integration. Sabi niya, yes, kasi inokreneto ako nung dumaan kayo.
Do you
Sabi
have
ba
a-
naman, buhay ka pa pala? O
Michael Jackson.
Hindi mo marunong.
Ha? Ah, Azerbaijan.
No Azerbaijan.
Ah, Kaspersky is Azerbaijan.
Godauri.
Godauri. We're going to Godauri.
It's Godauri. Godauri.
Godauri, 93 kilometer.
Yes, pwede yun.
Say hi, Nick.
Hello.
Masilaw ka ba? Masilaw ka ba? Sumayaw na rin
Saka na din ako na.
Oo.
Nalasing ako ah.
May tao.
We will do they have their shawarma there next stop?
No. No shawarma. Only coffee.
Pagkain. Sobrang dami natin pa.
Hi guys, say hi to my packing vlog. I'm going to
This is
earn.
shawarma. This is the best ever shawarma I ate in my entire life. Fuck you.
Paano yung internet?
Did you buy vodka again?
We will buy vodka again.
Finish? Vodka finish?
Yeah. Then you know, in the snow we will.
Yeah, no more vodka.
No,
Then
no,
you will be sick. You will be sick.
Just joking all the day.
Aray naman, namuta ka.
Gusto ko, bebe.
Sarap yan.
Hi mga ka-vlog! Nasa bako na kami.
Janadrin.
We're going to Guadaira. Godauri.
Jujunal.
Regional Campus.
Kasi Aldrin yung sa
ABCBN.
Jujunal.
What's Jujunal?
Sapat mo sa akin. Hello mga ka-Jojinal! Welcome to our vlog! Ayun, nasa labas yung yelo. Tama.
That's the freezer yellow there, going there. And yeah, we're going.
Dapat naghahawak ng camera. Ay!
Anyway guys, first May of honor.
Oh, there's a church! Church!
Castle also. Castle. Toilet. Everything.
Ah, yung tip mo.
Toilet. Go toilet.
Ako hindi naman ako mag-toilet.
Rubbish here. If you have a rubbish.
Oh, rubbish.
Yeah.
Our life is a rubbish.
Ay, may anghang dito ka pa dito. Ah. Ayoko na.
Ano ba yan? Ba nangungulahang ako? Na-video mo ba ako?
Ganun talaga pag video ng mga tropa, yung mga totoo. Dapat ito last bite na. Last bite na.
No sleepy. How can I sleep? You are so loudly shouting.
Yes, it's better for you. So at least you can.
After you drink vodka, you shouting. Julio. Huh? You know this song? It's a good one. Maybe next one. Gangster Julio. Gangster Life.
So guys, here we are. Hi!
Wait. Hindi naman to biglang.
Oh, hi!
Hi! Bebe!
Nanginginig na naman yung isa.
Mukha ka nagdinigan dyan.
There is no man.
Ayoko! Jelay, huwag ka muna. Ay.
Ayoko magkabakawak.
Ay, hindi ba pala naka-live yung kanina? Shit.
Guys, say goodbye.
Goodbye Armenia, goodbye Snow Mountain.
Georgia.
Georgia, goodbye Snow Mountain.
Bye, Georgia.
Ma, video mo ako ma. Titanic ako. Si Kate Winslet.
Ang lamig.
Patingin ako nung Ellen Adarna ma.
Huwag ka on road trip. Honda?
On road trip lang.
Sabi sa kanya mali nga
On the road trip. No, on road trip. It's not.
Why so much truck now?
I hate when this like that.
Every day like that?
Yes. They doing new road for trucks, but this will be finished after 2 years.
Oo,
You don't know this song?
we know, of course.
What's the title?
Sabong yan eh.
We don't need education, children, kids, teachers. Leave kids
Bakit ang
alone.
galing sa may paa?
Sa ibang bansa. Ang tao sa politik na mapalisan ng pagkain. Hindi na mapalisan ng pagkain. Kasi
Education. Na, na.
What is that?
This is what they're doing. Here, there
Silk
will
Road.
be tunnel without Godavari. Go to Russia,
Ah, see.
and here will be bridge. Wake up!
ganda naman ang formation.
Oh, this is remix.
No. Hindi,
You
yan
know
lang
this
pala.
song, huh?
Yes, I know
Everyone
the
knows?
song, but I don't know.
She's got it. One-way ticket. Sex bomb, sex bomb. Money, money, money is from Abba as well.
Gimme, gimme, gimme. the monastery?
Queen, you like more Queen. This is the Jwari Monastery. Oldest church castle in Georgia. 4th century. Before Tbilisi. Tbilisi 5th century.
Ganda. Ay, may maganda pa talaga siya. Maganda.
This is the city Gori. Look, Audi. You know Audi?
I cannot afford that.
Georgia flag, Gori flag, and European Union flag. What we are listening?
Shalalala.
Shalalala?
Okay. There is a intro.
Here used to be big monument of the Joseph Stalin. In 2008, Russia bombed this area. 15 people died that day.
Russian is so bad.
So bad. Yeah.
They are
And
so bad all
one
the
person from
time.
15 was Dutch. This is the capital of old Georgia. Old capital.
This one.
Before Tbilisi, yes. Before Tbilisi.
I thought I thought first the capital is Batumi.
No. No way.
Who is techno, but
Batumi.
Nice.
Batumi is no, it's on the coast. Never been capital of Georgia.
But it's place there. The place is nice, right? In
It's
Batumi.
at the beach, summertime. Look how many churches here. This big one. That one we are going. Cathedral. 12th century.
That's where we went a while ago, right? That big one.
Yes.
ha?
Ayun o, sa taas.
Tayo doon?
Kanina. Yun, galing tayo doon.
Yun yun.
Yes.
You've been there, huh, Jwari?
Yeah, a while ago.
So now you are down. Look how nice city here.
Kapatid ko. There's so many people.
Yes. This is also
Active church.
Yeah, active church. Sisters, mothers.
Mother
church.
Teresa, like that.
So I have a here friend who is running the big souvenir shop.
Here.
Yes,
What?
in this place. Souvenirs.
Shop as
Free souvenirs. And the best price offer. Okay. Also, you will be able to pay from the credit card. Only she has this option. Cards accepted. And also sweets also available. Look where we are. It's a very good Georgian restaurant. Barbecue. And not expensive one. Good price. Dumplings, Georgian pork barbecue. You have already wine. I'm also hungry. So what price will be? I also put money. We can share the cost. I need to call this.
Oh, you cannot enter inside.
I can. Wait. I have this special number to call. The call and.
You're part of the
So this,
family.
look how big protection it has. Wall. Royal family used to live inside.
Yeah, for
12th
the
century.
royal family.
This is good place. So now you decide first shopping and then cathedral, or first cathedral and then shopping.
Cathedral first.
Huh?
Cathedral.
Okay, I stop here.
Okay.
You go by walking to cathedral and then come back for the shopping. Look,
Bakit dito?
this is the shop. Oh, it's a little raining now.
Oh, it seems like bad weather. Charot.
Good, good, good.
Papasok ka na sa cathedral para makayan.
No music?
Ay, sorry. Sorry. Ay, wala ko
לא אומר מה מוגיטנה, קוואוי לוי.
Nakahintay ka lang.
קוואוי לוי, לא אומר מה מוגיטנה.
Paano lalabasan niya ba? Paano hintay niya lalabasan siya?
Last stop from today's excursion, Trinity Cathedral.
Trinity Castle.
Trinity Castle is a castle.
Pero, tas wala akong masalubong sa kanila. Wala akong pera.
Meron sa na-keychain.
Gora, sige lang eh.
Turn that thing off! It's too late and it's too loud!
But Dad, this is the best part.
You are wasting your time with this garbage. Now go too fast!